My three favorite Amazon tools. I spend more than 80% of my time in tools in these three tools. This is going to be a short video where I just talk about the tools, and I have longer demos on each of these in other videos. My name is Stephen Pope. I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy. First tool, this is the number one on the market, bar none, is Helium 10. Helium 10 has some great keyword product research tools. They have an amazing Chrome extension that you can use on Amazon and Walmart. You can track your profits, your refunds, your keyword rankings, your inventory, lots of catalog tools to do alerts. We freaking love Helium 10. If you want to get 50% off Helium 10, go over and use promo code MyAmazonGuy50. There's just so many features, too many to mention. And here is a video where I, for 50 minutes, go through and demo everything you can do inside of Helium 10. Pretty awesome tool. Number two on my list is PickFu. This is an A/B testing tool, the ability to go in and figure out how to increase CTR, especially on a main image. Is version A better or version B? So many things that you can do if you increase your photo click-through rating. It is honestly the number one way to improve sales on Amazon. I've got a great video you should watch next about the entire hacks of the best hack on Amazon is to work on your main image. You can go over to pickfu.com/myamazonguy, get 50% off your first survey that you send out. There's so many cool things you can do with PickFu to see the members and how they vote. You can test main images, enhance brand content, the title, but almost everybody just sticks to main image testing. That's the greatest thing about it. Tool number three is My Refund Guy. I actually own this tool myself. You can go in there and recover money that Amazon already owes you. The first $500 is recoverable for free on the house. I walk you through in this video here on how you can go through and demonstrate the product. We give you a full dashboard where you've got great tracking down to the detail level, including the ability to see every case that we file on your account. The number one reason you want to use this tool is because Amazon owes you thousands of dollars and you just simply have to ask them for it, but you have to do it in the right way. This tool automates that process. All of your lost and damaged units, the refunds and mishandled returns, and lost inbound shipments will automatically be deposited back into your account. So it's a really cool tool because it's automatic money back into your pocket. So those are my three favorite tools: Helium 10, PickFu, and My Refund Guy. Go check them all out, and you can get discounts by using the promo codes MyAmazonGuy50 on Helium 10. On PickFu, it's just go to pickfu.com/MyAmazonGuy, and the first $500 are on me personally by going to MyRefundGuy.com. Check out those tools. If you like other tools, please leave it in the comments. I always like to check out new tools. There's all kinds of new things that are always coming out. If you want me to demo one of those tools, just post it in the comments. It'll be my pleasure. My name is Stephen Pope, and I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy.